Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you having issues of your MacBook not turning on? Today I'm going to help you solve that. So the first approach is for us to reset the SMC, which is a system management controller. So first of all, make sure you have your adapter or your charger, your MacBook charger. You connect it here. After you are done that, you press Shift, Control, and then Option key, and then you press the power button here. Make sure you press them simultaneously at the go, and after you are done, press the power button again, and then your machine will turn on. So the second option is for you to reset the PRAM or RAM. So you press on Command Option, and you press the P key here, and then R. Press all of them simultaneously at a go. You hold it until the MacBook resets. Okay, so that's done. And then the third option is for you to press the power button here, and then you connect your phone through data cable to the MacBook. And then if the phone starts charging, your issue will be solved. So usually the fourth option is sometimes you use a safety case on your MacBook, to protect it. So if that's the case, you have to take off the safety case. If you take it off, then you try turning it on to see if it comes. So I'm going to show you the last solution. So you connect your adapter, your charger to the MacBook, and if it changes from orange to green, you check the warranty, and if it covers the warranty, you take it to Apple service, and then they will fix it for you. Hello guys, so that's it. Try these options and get your MacBook fixed. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you, and see you guys another time.